Now we will create a root for our categories and the period. So control P to search the web.php, which is in a root directory, and we can find our root file. So okay, we will create a root which be a group, and in a group we will create an array with prefix. So prefix will be categories, mm, categories, and the closure function, and the with closure function we will create our roots. So the first root will be our create. So first root will be our create, and it will goes to categories controller that we have already created. Controller, and the function will be the method we will access will be a create, and we will give the name root name category dot create. Okay, let's duplicate control L to select and control shift D to create more than I think let's delete this one. Okay, and the next root will be let's check it root forward slash create categories controller create name is category. Okay, and the next controller root will be a post. Here is the mistake. We have not used the method. So control D to select, and wait a minute. Control D to no. Let's create by on. So it will be a get, and this method will be a post, because when we put so through a create method we will show the form, and the post method will store the form. And if I change to, let's select this and control D to select the next one and change it to store, the categories controller and store. Okay, the third one will be the edit, and in edit we will give an ID of the category to edit it. So we can give by forward slash and we'll define an ID. So this goes to a categories controller edit method and the root name category edit. And so it will show the edit category edit to view, and then we will edit the category, so we will update it. So we use a method post. So where it is, create store, and let's remove it. Okay, so create, store, and edit. It will be a get request, and it will access the form to edit the field. Okay, and the update will be a post request to update the category, and the method will be update, and we will give the ID to which category will be updated. So we will give update ID, and it goes to categories controller, and update method name will be category update. Okay, and the last one will be the get request to delete a category. So we can give a method root first URI delete, and the ID to which category to delete. Okay, control S to save. Let's recheck our roots. So first root is get to create a category. Category is controller create method, and category dot create is the root name. The second one is the post request, which will give to store a category. So category is controller store, and the root name is category dot store. The third one to edit a category to show the category to the view. So we have to give an edit ID, and specific ID will be shown to user to edit this. So categories controller edit, and category dot edit is the method. And to edit, to update that category, so we should have the post request update and the ID of the category, and it goes to a category controller update category dot update. So if we want to delete a category, so the root will be a get delete. We can use a root get request to delete, and the ID of the category. So it goes to a delete method in our controller. So if I show you the category controller, categories control that we have already created. So we have an index, create, store, edit, update, and delete. So these are the methods that we are using in a categories controller. Okay, let's duplicate this one for our periods, and we will make changes. So group will be a now periods, and it will be a same root, but the controller will be changed. Control D to select the next one. Let me rephrase, deselect it. Control D to next one, and see we will change to periods controller. So prefix periods, and the get create periods controller creates, and also here we will also change the control D to select all, and we will change it to period. So it becomes now period dot create, period dot store, period dot edit, and period dot update, and period dot delete. Okay, so this root and one more root that we will require to show the periods and the category at the same page. So we will require a get root. So root get categories, categories dash periods, and it will goes to a controller, categories periods controller, categories periods controller, and the method will be index, and its root name will be categories categories dash periods dot index. So hope so it makes sense. And when we do a practical work of, so we will switch off backward and forward so to our roots, so you will we will have a better understanding then. Okay, let's find. I show you the categories, period, controller. So we have a categories, periods, controller, and only a one function, public function index. So this will give the index of this directory, categories, periods, index file, and it will show the both the categories and the periods, and also the link to create a category and to link to create a period. So roots are ready, and we will jump to our now the layout. So we will create layout for categories, edit, create, and list. So then we'll do our business logic. So stay tuned.